Hello, welcome back, and let's switch back to our model, and we'll double click on the control D or on that, or just press Control D, and that will take you back to the model section. So you can see our selection is still active. So to deselect, just click on empty screen to deselect that. Now we want to create single drawings for these secondary beams you see on top here. So that's what you want to do next. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to either select this by coming to edit and come to select and pick on same color. If I pick on that, I'll be able to select on that, but I'm getting some wrong selections, so I'll not use that method of selection. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select everything, but not necessarily everything, just the section that will cover the part that you intend to select. So I'll go ahead and click profile and pick on that, and I want to add more beam groups, and I want this the 500 or the IPE beams. So I'll pick the beams here, and once I've picked on the beams, I'll click close. So you can see the beams have been selected. So if I right click and move my mouse like that, I'll be able to see all the parts, all the members that have been selected, and I've selected for single part drawing creation. So as usual, I'll come to drawings and report, then I'll come to create drawings. So I'll click on that drop down arrow and come to part drawings. So I'll give it some time to create the drawings, and the drawings have been created. If I double click on there, I'll be able to, if you take a look here, we had previously created these two drawings, so we've added another one here. If I double click here, I'll be able to open that, close that, and I'll be able to open this. So you can see we have our drawing in place. So if I double click in here and come and create symbol right there and click make it default, and I'll be able to see I have this in place. It's neatly done. You don't need to comb it further. It's just the way it is, and you can submit this to the workshop for production purposes. So this is how it's done. So if I select on that and maybe zoom it close, I can leave it on that spot. So that's how you do it. So I'll go back to my drawing and pick another one and open, and if I close that, I'll be able to see what I have in place. So this has been squeezed to fit inside our drawing. So you can always go further and close these loops that shows this member has been squeezed to fit in, because at the both ends of the beam there's nothing at all. So we just shorten the length, and then we can just use that line break symbol, and that's how we can apply that. So that's how it works. So you can see we have the title block in place, and that's it. Now I'll come back and double click on that and open another drawing right there. Double click and close that, and I'll have another drawing right there. I can go back. I can just double click on that once again and open another drawing. And if I close that, I'll be able to have my drawing in place. So you can always go ahead and add value to the drawing. You can go ahead and add create symbol and click apply and give it an OK. So I have this drawing in place. So you can see we have this is P6, P69, the material is steel, but profile name is IPE300, and the single member weighs 242.89. So if you multiply this by 1, you have that in place. So that's how you create single part drawing, and hope you'll have a try on COMOSYS to have a taste of how convenient this software is. And let's meet then. Bye bye. This is Morris Dimba, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and let's meet then.